Welcome, adventurers! Get ready for the 2026 Suzuki Motorhome, a vehicle that will completely change the way you think about traveling. This is not just a van. It's a mobile microhome designed for efficiency and independence. With a 4x4 option for small off-grid excursions and strong LED lighting for optimal visibility, its exterior has a distinctive and contemporary style. It has a very compact and light frame. Reliable performance and fuel economy are provided by the vehicle's extremely efficient hybrid powertrain. This powertrain probably comprises of a small displacement gasoline engine with a moderate hybrid system. It skillfully combines Suzuki's pragmatic nature with its spirit of adventure. It is immediately apparent that the dashboard is well designed and ergonomic. Despite its small size, it has good visibility and all the controls are easily accessible. A digital instrument panel clearly shows the vehicle's statistics. The infotainment touchscreen serves as your control center and keeps you involved and connected on every journey, thanks to wireless smartphone connectivity features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The inside of the 2026 Suzuki Motorhome is a magnificent example of spatial design. Every square inch has been carefully constructed to optimize utility without creating the illusion of a limited area. Because much of its interior is composed of materials that are lightweight, sturdy, and readily cleaned, it is perfect for a nomadic lifestyle. It is easy to change up the arrangement thanks to the modular design. It may be utilized as a professional office, a cozy dining room, or a place to relax with an opulent fold-out sofa. The spacious windows and ambient LED lighting provide a warm and inviting atmosphere that will make you feel at home wherever your travels take you. At night, the bedroom compartment of the 2026 Suzuki Motorhome turns into your private sanctuary. An innovative convertible bed mechanism allows the seating area to be transformed into a comfortable bed for one or two persons. For some versions, a pop-up roof is an option, which offers an additional sleeping area above with screen windows for the best ventilation. An ergonomic mattress ensures a good night's sleep after a long day of sightseeing. The bathroom of the 2026 Suzuki Motorhome is cleverly designed to continue operating in a small space. Usually included is a little wet bath, which is a waterproof area with a sink, toilet, and shower. Portable toilets or easily maintained cassette toilets are available, as are handheld showers and small basins. The simple yet useful design ensures that you stay fresh while driving by using materials that dry rapidly and are easy to clean. Considering its small size, the 2026 Suzuki Motorhome's kitchen is quite useful. Included are a portable stove, maybe powered by a small gas burner or electric induction, a small sink with a water faucet, and an energy-efficient mini-fridge for storing goods. You can store your kitchenware and utensils in the cleverly designed closets and storage drawers without taking up much space. You may turn any rest area into your own restaurant by utilizing this kitchen to prepare everything from simple to delicious foods.